Cary Dairy Parlor Remodel by Brown Dairy Equipment, changing from a 2x11 herringbone to a 2x16 Turner vertical lift parallel parlor on December 3rd, 2013. For 2 weeks prior to December 3rd, many Brown Dairy Equipment employees were doing prep work on the farm and in our Portland store warehouse. During this time, we were able to wire all the Affimilk MPC controls, pulsation, and shifting valves. All systems were tested and control parameters set. At 8 a.m., with 17 Brown Dairy Equipment employees divided into 6 different crews, along with Steve Cary and 3 of his Cary Dairy employees, we started to remove the old stalls, starting with the exit reels. With the reels removed, we were able to weld the Turner lifting posts into place on the north side. We had one crew removing the old automation while another crew continued removing equipment on the south side. Another crew lifted the 6x6 main beam into place by 8:30 a.m. With the reels removed on the south side, we were able to install the 3 lifting posts on the south side. With the old automation removed on the north side, another crew started cutting out the S-rails. The south side beam was going up as Dennis Brown, president of Brown Dairy Equipment, was letting off a little steam. By 9:25, we had the north side gutted and we were ready for crossbeams. Lift cylinders are being installed. Demolition continued on the south side. James even had time to handle a service call during a lull. New Affimilk meters are being installed below the cow deck by one of the crews. Demolition on the south side S-rails continues, and another crew brings in the cabinetry through the holding pen. By 10:30 a.m., the north side cabinet was in place. Another crew brings in the south side cabinet. While one crew installs pulsation and other items in the cabinet, the Cary Dairy loader driver picks up the lift front from outside and brings it into the barn. By 11:30, the crews then attach the north lift front and move on to the south side. By 12:30, the stalls are basically complete. And we are ready to lubricate the cylinders and test the system. The fronts went up and down. The airbag gang indexing is functioning, as is the entrance gate. The system is washed and we are ready for the first cows to be milked right at 1 p.m. By 1:30, our crew is wrapped up and ready for a break and a great lunch provided by Steve Cary and Kathy as office manager. Thanks to all who made these 5 hours successful, and thanks to Cary Dairy.